Are you tired of using the same old words like good, nice, or happy? So, today I am going to share with you 25 smart but simple English words that you can use in your daily life conversation, such as school, office, or even normal conversation with friends or family. So, without waste any time, let's get started the video. Amicable. Amicable. Meaning friendly and peaceful. Example: we had an amicable talk. Hinder. Hinder. Meaning to delay or stop the progress of something. Example: traffic can hinder your journey. Meticulous. Meticulous. Meaning very careful and paying attention to small detail. Example: the design was done meticulously. Lucid. Lucid. Meaning clear and easy to understand. Example: her explanation was lucid. Gregarious. Gregarious. Meaning friendly, social, and enjoys being around people. Example: my sister is very gregarious. Jovial. Jovial. Meaning cheerful and friendly. Example: he has a jovial nature. Frugal. Frugal. Meaning careful with money or resources, not wasteful. Example: he is very frugal with his spending. Keen. Keen. Meaning very interested, eager, or sharp. Example: she is keen to learn a new language. Eloquent. Eloquent. Meaning speaking clearly and beautifully. Example: she gave an eloquent speech at the event. Candor. Candor. Meaning honesty, openness, and speaking the truth. Examples: I like her candor. She always tells the truth. Pragmatic. Pragmatic. Meaning practical and realistic. Example: Ronit gave a pragmatic solution. Resilient. Resilient. Meaning able to recover quickly from difficulties. Example: children are very resilient. Tactful. Tactful. Meaning careful not to offend or hurt others. Example: be tactful when giving feedback. Blunt. Blunt. Meaning very direct, something too honest. Example: that was a blunt comment. Concur. Concur. Meaning to agree with someone or something. Example: I concur with your idea. Jubilant. Jubilant. Meaning extremely happy and joyful. Example: the crowd was jubilant after the win. Vivid. Vivid. Meaning very clear, bright, or detailed. Example: I had a vivid memory. Benevolent. Benevolent. Meaning kind, helpful, and wishing to do good things for others. Example: she is a benevolent lady who helps the poor. Yearn. Yearn. Meaning to long deeply wish for something. Example: she yearns for peace. Witty. Witty. Meaning clever and funny. Example: he gave a witty reply. Quirk. Quirk. Meaning a strange or unique habit or behavior. Example: her quirk is talking to her cat. Seldom. Seldom. Meaning rarely, not often. Example: I seldom eat junk food. Oblige. Oblige. Meaning to do something as a favor or to help someone. Example, can you oblige me with some advice? Demure. Demure, meaning shy and modest, usually for women. Example, she gave a demure smile. So that is for today's video, guys. Hope you like it and enjoy it. And which word did you like the most? Please comment below and do not forget to subscribe this channel for watch more videos like this.